This is 13 News at 4.
Good afternoon. We are learning how the Winnebago County court system handled its cases last year.
In a news conference at the county courthouse, State's Attorney Hanley says success is building.
Yeah, well, one of the review's prominent statistics comes from child sex cases. Of the 189 cases reviewed, the state's attorney's office convicted 95% of those offenders. The office's domestic violence unit also provided some success after measuring felony domestic violence convictions for the first time. Data shows 83% of these cases ended in convictions. And out of 8 murder trials with juries, 6 were found guilty. While the state's attorney shared a number of conviction rates, a different statistic appeared for the first time in the review.
The office began an idea to provide reconciliation between offenders and victims. And last year, 2 elderly women were forced out of their car at gunpoint in downtown Rockford. After juvenile offenders pled guilty, state's attorney's officials offered a reconciliation initiative between the victims and delinquents. The effort focused on a discussion of the crime and to help the offenders understand their impact on the women. While the initiative was used only once last year, Hanley hopes to continue the program into 2024.
And I don't want to say too much because of the confidentiality of it all, but it was really interesting. It almost happened organically, and there was this like really powerful meeting. But there's 10 other cases that like we would never try it. And oh, by the way, if the victim's like, I will never be in the room with that person, that's totally their right.
And coming up at 6, we'll see how the state's attorney's office is handling a rise in stalking convictions.